This soup, yeah. See as they make kata. It explain itself. See soup when it's sabi speak that correct English. See what do you think about this soup? See as they make kata. See soup, egusi soup. This is Nigerian egusi soup. So if you want to know how to make this delicious Nigeria egusi soup, click on the comment section and put your comment down below. Comment. Feel free to comment on this soup. Feel free to comment, guys. This is delicious soup. Take away. Gonna see you. I'm gonna make it a see you. Mommy see you. Egusi soup. Original. Soup when it's sweet now. Come and join me. Join guys. Okay. This soup for mommy see you. This is Nigeria egusi soup. Count it down. It is good for pounded yam. It is good for amala. It is good for starch. It is even good for rice. It is good for plantain. Even self, it is good for oatmeal. Tested and trusted. If you want to know the ingredients for this soup, Nigeria egusi soup, this delicious soup, this inviting soup, this mouth-watering soup, egusi soup, Nigeria egusi soup, click on the comment section down below and write it. Feel free to comment on this soup now. See egusi soup, see how beautiful it is. So inviting. This one, a correct soup. See, look at that. Orish. This soup now, beg, make one see. Look at this. Starch, oh yeah. Anyone you call up, this soup will answer you. This is registered soup. NAFDAC soup. Has NAFDAC number. This is not fake, this is original. Pure original Nigeria egusi soup. Look at it here. See. Look at that. Look at the languages popping up, speaking for itself. Tested and trusted. Click on the comment section and feel free to comment how I made this soup. So is that so much water? Oh yeah, now take a picture. So what's your sea soup? Hey, how many languages? I think I put the rest in it. Voila. Yeah. I beg. And then yam is loading. Okay, cool. See, when it comes to cooking soup and pounded yam, I'm very romantic. Hey, mommy, see you. There. See ya. Wow. All right, nearly done. Your